Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Children, today we are going to do Unit 8 Common and Proper Nouns from our English Grammar textbook. In our previous chapter, we have already learnt about nouns. Let's revise what is a noun. Noun is a naming word, a name that we use for a person, a place, an animal, or for a thing. Now let's see what are common nouns and proper nouns. First we will learn about common nouns. What are common nouns? Common nouns are general name. When we give a general name to a person, to a place, to an animal or to a thing, that general name is called a common noun. Let's understand this with few examples. He is a clown. Now in this sentence children, we are talking about a clown. Clown is a general name that we use for a person. So clown is a common noun in this sentence. They live in a city. Here we are talking about a city. And city is a general name that we use for a place. So city is a common noun in this sentence. It is his dog. Now, in this sentence, children, we are talking about a dog. Now, dog is a general name that we use for an animal. So, dog is a common noun in this sentence. This is a pastry. Now, in this sentence, we are talking about a pastry. And pastry is a general name that we use for a thing. So, pastry is a common noun in this sentence. Now remember this thing children, common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. Now see children, dog, pastry and in our previous examples, city, clown, these nouns were written in small letters. Common nouns are not written in capital letters unless they begin a sentence. It means if you start a sentence with these common nouns, then only you can use capital letters. Otherwise, if they are in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, they are not written in capital letters. Understood? Now let's see what are proper nouns. Children, when we use a special name for people, places, pets, days, months, organization, etc., that special names are known as proper nouns. Look at this example. Raju, the clown, entertains people in a circus. Now, in this sentence, children, we are talking about Raju. Raju is a special name given to this clown. So, Raju is a proper noun in this sentence. They live in Mumbai. Now, in this sentence, we are talking about Mumbai. Mumbai is a special name given to a city. So, Mumbai is a proper noun in this sentence. His dog's name is Pluto. Now, in this sentence, children, we are talking about Pluto. Now, Pluto is a name that we give to our pet. Yes. So, Pluto is a proper noun in this sentence. My favorite festival is Holi. Now, in this sentence, children, I am talking about a specific festival, a particular festival, Holi. So, Holi is a proper noun in this sentence. My school's name is Countryside International School. So, Countryside International School is a name of an institution. So, when when we give a special name to festivals, to an institution, to days or to months, so that special names are known as proper nouns. So in this sentence, Countryside International School is a proper noun. Remember this thing, children, that special name that we use for a country, a city, a road, a mountain, a monument, a festival, etc. is proper noun. All the words in a proper noun begin with the capital letter. Now look at this example, children. The Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. Now this is a monument and I'm talking about a specific monument, Red Fort. So Red Fort is a proper noun and this proper noun is written in a capital letter. New Delhi. New Delhi is also a proper noun. I'm talking about a particular city. So it is also written in a capital letter. So remember this thing, children, that proper nouns are always in a capital letter. My final exam is in the month of March. Now, in this sentence, children, I am talking about a particular month, March. So, March is a proper noun in this sentence. And this proper noun starts with a capital letter. So, remember this thing, children. All the words used in a proper noun begin with the capital letter. Understood? Now, children, in your textbook on page number 23, exercise A is there. Write a proper noun against each common noun in the list below. Remember to begin proper noun with a capital letter. Now, children, keep this thing in your mind that proper nouns are always written in a capital letter. Now, few common nouns are listed here and you have to give a proper name, a special name to that common noun. For example, rabbit. Now imagine that you have a pet, rabbit as a pet at your home. And which name would you like to give to that rabbit? Yes, it could be Bugs or Bunny. Now look at number 1, country. Now this is a common noun. Now you have to give a proper noun to this common noun. It could be the name of any country. For example, I have taken here India. You can also write Japan, Canada, Australia, any name. Now, for rest of the words, try to get the special names. Means proper noun for rest of the words. Look at exercise number B. Underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in these sentences. Now, here few sentences are there and you have to find proper nouns also and common nouns also. And you have to underline the proper nouns and you have to circle the common nouns. Now, I have taken here sentence number 2. Dashera break in our school starts from Monday. Now, remember this thing, children, that proper nouns are always written in capital letters. So, and proper nouns are the special names. So, yes, Dashera. Dashera is a special name of a festival. So, it is a proper noun. Next is break. Break is a common noun. Next is school. Here, the name of the school is not given. Particular school is not given. So, school is a common noun. Next is Monday. Monday is a proper noun because we are talking about a particular day and it is written in a capital letter also. Understood? So, try to do rest of the sentences. See on page number 24, exercise C. Solve this crossword puzzle with help of the clues given here. Note that all the words you form are proper nouns. Children, here a crossword puzzle is there and you have given the clues also. Using that clues, you will get the proper nouns. Here I have taken number 2. A planet, we live here. We all know, children, on which planet do we live? We live on the earth. So like this you have to get the proper noun for rest of the sentences. And children, today's homework is give 2 proper nouns related to a festival and a month. Means you have to give a specific, a particular name related to any festival or any month. You now know that, children, what is a proper noun. Proper noun is a specific name, a particular name that we give to a person, to a place, to an animal, to a monument, to an organization. I hope you will get it. Bye bye. Good day.